Hello, how are you? Family of Telemathematics. Welcome to a new video of our channel. So, let's get started. We will begin the video with a simple question. What is the concept of subtraction? And as an answer, we can say that it consists of removing or decreasing an amount from an initial amount to obtain a new value that represents the difference between the two. Let's look at an example. We have a group of 10 pineapple and we remove from it a group of 7 pineapple. Then what will be the difference in the pineapple? A group of 3 pineapple? Algebraically, this is represented as follows. The group of 10 pineapples is identified with the number 10. The process of removing a group is identified with the subtraction symbol. The group of 7 pineapples is identified with the number 7. Obtaining the difference is identified with the equal sign, and the total group of 3 pineapples is identified with the number 3. It should be noted that the number 10 is called the minuend, the number 7 is called the subtrahend. The subtraction symbol indicates the operation to be performed, and the number 3 indicates the difference. In this way, the concept of subtraction is complete. Very good. Next, we will do an activity. Express the difference between the elements of each set, written as the subtraction between them. Literal A. We have a group of 6 guavas, and we remove from that a group of 3 guavas. Algebraically, it would be the group of 6 guavas we identify with the number 6, the process of removing a group we identify with the subtraction symbol, the group of 3 guavas we identify with the number 3, obtaining the difference we identify with the equal sign, and the total group of 3 guavas we identify with the number 3. Literal B. We have a group of 8 apples, and we remove from that a group of 2 apples. Similarly, the group of 8 apples we identify with the number 8, the process of removing a group we identify with the subtraction symbol. The group of 2 apples we identify with the number 2. Obtaining the difference we identify with the equal sign, and the total group of apples we identify with the number 6. Very good. I hope you have understood the topic, but if you have any questions, review the material again or let us know so we can help you.
If you liked the video, I encourage you to give it a like, to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and to activate notifications so you can see the new topics that we will be releasing, to leave us your comments, and to share it with your friends. Until the next video.